National PSI Exam Prep, page 72. Figure 11.2, circle formulas. It shows the line across the middle. That means divide. And the line on the bottom, separating the bottom two halves, means multiply. Figure 11.3, circle formulas with practice problem applied. It shows the top half is the area, the bottom left quarter is the width, and the bottom right corner is the length. 75 on the bottom left is the width. The top half is 9,000, which is the area. And you're trying to solve for the bottom quarter. Introduction to circle formulas. Many real estate calculations involve 3 parts. And if you know 2 of them, you can calculate the third. For example, in area calculations, there might be a question such as, if a lot has an area of 9,000 square feet and the frontage is 75 feet, how deep is the lot? Area equals width multiplied by length, which means 9,000 square feet equals 75 multiplied by the length. What should you do next? Check formulas are a simple tool for remembering what to do. You are not required to use them, but they can be very helpful. See 11.2. Figure 11.3 is what this problem would look like in a circle formula. The circle in figure 11.3 shows what is needed. Length equals area divided by width equals 9,000 divided by 75. Solution: 9,000 divided by 75 equals 120 feet deep. A. Property tax calculations. Number 1, property taxes are charged, which means levied, based on an assessment rate. The assessor, usually a county official, uses mass appraisal methods to place a value on each privately owned property in the jurisdiction, which is usually the county, township, or similar political division. The county commissioners or other similar body determines the total budget for the jurisdiction based on the services and needs of the county. The assessor then has the job of distributing the tax burden to each of the privately owned properties. Most taxing areas have several classes of property, such as residential, commercial, agricultural, and so on. These classes may have different taxing rates. Number 2, the assessor multiplies the actual value as appraised by the assessor by the tax rate for the class of property to determine the real property tax that the property owner will owe. See figure 11.4.